Hello everyone. Today we're bringing together the creamy comfort of fresh milk and the golden sweetness of bananas to create something truly magical. Budino alla banana, an Italian-inspired banana pudding that will make your taste buds sing, "O sole mio." This Italian dessert will make you keep asking for more. Trust me, you will love every bite of it, and you can check out for all the ingredients in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get started. Let's start by getting our bananas cut and sliced into smaller pieces, because that will enable us to get that creamy texture of an Italian dessert that we are looking for. Once that is done, now we need to heat up our saucepan with a bit of oil or butter. Any of these can do the job. Slowly pour in the sliced banana. Whisk it all together until it's juicy and creamy. All right, let's move to the next step. In a separate bowl, pour in the banana that you have just fried. Now we have to get those banana mashed till it gets smooth. Now start by combining the banana with a cup of milk, then stir constantly. This is where the magic begins. All right, now that your milk and banana mixture is smooth and thickened, let's get our vanilla extract toasted. You can use honey or your banana juice to do this. Once you are done, pour it into your serving cups. Get some of your sliced banana arranged into your serving cups line by line. Now, in a separate bowl, pour in a cup of water, add a cup of cornstarch, a cup of heavy cream, a cup of sugar, and a pinch of salt. Then whisk it all together till all the ingredients blend together. Now it's time for the magic to begin. In your serving cups, where you have just arranged your sliced banana, then pour your budino into that serving cups. Then let them chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Patience, also known as amici in Italian language, is the secret ingredient of every Italian kitchen. And there you have it, guys. Isn't this so yummy and so delicious? Wow, this isn't just dessert. This is a creamy kiss of Italy, made with love and a little banana magic. So, what are you waiting for? Go make your kitchen the sweetest spot in town. Thanks for joining us in making this delicious banana and milk magic. And buon appetito, just as the Italians will always say. And until next time, keep cooking with love. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen magic like this, and I will see you next time.